I shall write a new little song before it turns windy, cold and rainy. Let my mistress essay and test me, so she'll learn in which fashion I love her. And certainly, come hell and high water, she won't free me from her snares. Instead I surrender and deliver myself to her, so that she can write my name in her charter. And don't think I am drunk if I love my good mistress, because I can't live without her. So much I starve for her love. I shiver and shake for this woman, because I love her such a good love. I don't think one I like to her was born in the great lineage of the noble Adam, because she is whiter than ivory. And for this I can't adore anyone else, if I am not reassured shortly that my good mistress loves me. I shall die by the head of St. Gregory, unless she kisses me in her room or under a tree.
What good will it be to you, beautiful dame, if your love parts me from you? You seem to intend to become a nun.
And oh, since I love you so much, that I fear that the pain will harm me. If you don't redress the wrongs I blame on you. What good will it be to you if I become a monk and you don't keep me as your own? All the joy in the world is ours, lady, if we love each other. Down there I tell and command my friend Dor Ostra to sing and cry. Whoa.